Kesarkar Jila Kalarai Benkang Thiet Dokha Haduk Khasan Singi Nabar Jila Hadim Kelalap Mentaka Singi Bagi Dokha Belawan Ra Nabar La Injek Dekat Dawai Formalin Abakren Cikilap Tarik Bor Mentaka Singi Menteri Ramba ke Jila Konrad Ke Sangma Ulong Bahadim Belalap Beladon Ke Dawai Formalin Haki Dokha Larai Ban Pensange Ban Thiet Dokha Nabar Jila Nakabenta Khasan Singi Ulong Bagi Jingkang Yaki Dokha Ban Wanra Syaka Jila Kalap Ban Beteng Hadian Kene Ke Khasan Singi Lada ke jinglong jingman kamlong ke basingan ya kinong baham dokha. Bukan rat long bakalong ke basong si kum keni ke jingja. Namar bakan keta juri ke bajba ke baham dokha. Berkumju iki briu ke baim ja na keni ke kam. Laban kedo bahne ke sengi ke tanak sarkar kalalap bagi dokha balawan rat na bar jela. La injek de ke dawai formalin ke babu jingma ya ke jingkot jingkia jung ke bajba.
Basically, this is a concern that is now coming up in a lot of the states in the northeast. And definitely Meghalaya also is very serious about this matter, and accordingly we have done a lot of tests that needed to be done, and recently, out of the 19 samples that were tested, two samples were found to have positive traces of formalin in it, and so whether it's even two or even one, it's something that is not acceptable to our state and the government, and therefore based on this particular report that has come to us, we have decided to prohibit the distribution and sale of fish from outside for the next 15 days. In the process, we are doing more study and analysis into more fish and all what is happening, and not only that, I have asked the the health department to I think slowly look into other aspects also, and we are very concerned about this. This is something that is unacceptable, and the health of our people is a very important and top priority for us, and therefore we will not let this matter rest until we are confirmed with everything. And as I said, in the meantime, 15 days prohibition has been put in, and as per requirement, as per necessity, we will increase that, and we will extend the prohibition also if necessary after 15 days also. Fish being brought into the state from outside, there is going to be huge shortage, and obviously we will see a bit of discomfort and problem for the people who eat fish. So therefore, yes, we need to ensure that the production locally and safe fish is done more, and our government is definitely committed to that. In the past also the governments had worked on starting aqua mission, but sadly it did not yield the results that it was supposed to. But I think maybe there were some things that were not done in a correct manner, and we need to look into those aspects. And right now, though this may be a bit of a problem for us, but I do see a sense of opportunity in this, and therefore seeing this opportunity, we will try to increase our local production, which will obviously give employment to our local people also. So we will definitely look into this, and we will try to find ways in which our local people can be involved.